Hey Squeeze Fiends and Honeybees. This was our first time trying Mizu Sushi and Hibachi. It's all you can eat. You are given a menu and a pencil to select the dishes you want, then your server brings your items to you. Everything was fresh. Served family style. What a beautiful spread. These are my thoughts on the dishes we tried. What's your favorite sushi or hibachi dish and from where?
It tastes like mustard on top of salad. Not bad. It ain't great though. Thank you. Thank you. Avocado. And nasty. California. That one's alright. It's kind of dry. Thing to tell you about that one too. Pour a little bit on there. Yep. That's it. You said this is a zucchini? Right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's the onion ring?
Also, I am thinking that one of those this next time is going to be a
Good.
Yeah. It's going to be a pain in my ass.
Take it. Now that rice is a little salty.